Alright, we all know first things first, right? So here's the case. We're gonna open it up and see what it looks like. We don't have any parts yet, so, well, we do have the hard drive and the DVD drive, so when all the parts get here, we'll do another recap of all the parts. But this is the Antec 900 inside the case. Alright, here we are. It's May 8th. I think. And just building a new rig here. I got some of the Corsair there. It's the XMS2 Pro Series RAM, clock at 44412. So got some of that. We got the XFX 780i, and for the motherboard, got ourselves an OCZ Game Extreme. That's a 1010, so 1010 watt power supply. Got ourselves a Antec 900 case here. It's got two LED blue fans in the front and the clear door there with the fan on the top. Of course, you can't go without the Zalman cooler for the CPU. It's got the green LED. Got us two extra fans here just in case for the door for the side. These also have blue LEDs, the Rosewell fans. And here's the processor. It's the 2.4. This is the Q6600 Intel processor. It's going to overclock nicely, of course, with our Arctic Silver thermal compound here. That's going to adhere with the Zalman cooler, of course, onto the processor. So looking forward to the build, and I will show you guys what it looks like when she's done and up and running. Probably going to take me a couple hours. Oh, can't forget these beasts. We've also got two GeForce 88 GTS Knockout Series graphics cards, 512 megabytes. And of course they do have the G92 implementation in them as well, so these will be some nice SLI graphics cards going on here. So the setup on a wide angle, motherboard, we got the PSU, the RAM sitting there, the case, two fans, thermal compound, and two SLI 88 GTS cards, the Zalman behind that, and of course the processor. All going to come together nicely, I hope. So give you an update here when we're done. Alright, here we are 2 hours later. Got her fired up. Got the power supply down there. That's the memory flash in there. We got Windows installing on the Raptor drive here. She's just flying, as you can see. It's just going right along. The Logitech G15. I only have one card in right now, one graphics card. I'm going to SLI those in a little bit. So there's the EVGA 8800 GTS Knockout Series graphics card. Just to give you an idea about how big they are, this is a CD, regular size CD, and that's the graphics card. Pretty big. And once we get kicked off down here, you can see the little LEDs on the RAM. And the Zalman cooler.